Hello? Hello? Students, please respond. My voice is audible.
Sir, good evening.
Okay. At last class, what you done? Students, please tell me. Class, what you done? Hello?
Elementary operations.
Yes, elementary operations. The 2 by 2 matrix are understood? Is what it? 2 by 2 matrix. I will do few more questions now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can tell me yourself. I think you have books are there. Na? Tell me yourself few problems here. We'll solve that. Tell now. Tell me. Any one of the matrix? A 2 by 2 matrix, first you can tell me. Hello? A equal to, don't have a book? Okay, 2174. A equal to 2174. A equal to 2174, come up, then find the value of A inverse equal to how much? A inverse equal to how much? The problem it is. Now, first you can verify this condition. No? You can do the AD minus BC. So, if AD minus BC equal to 0 means clearly we can say that the inverse is not possible. Inverse is not possible. Now, verify this number now. AD means 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 minus 7 into 1 equal to 7. So, 8 minus 7 equal to 1 now. 8 minus 7 equal to 1. In the value of determinant of A equal to be got 1. So, it is the finding the inverse of given matrix is possible. So, I can write the procedure now. So, A equal to I into A. A equal to I into A. Right now, the matrix A equal to 2 1 7 4 equal to I equal to 1 0 0 1 into A. Into A now. Okay. Now, we require here now 1 0 0 1 required. 1 0 1 0. Now, you can apply in the row operation is the best, the column operation is the best. That is your choice. Whatever method you can apply. No problem that one. Please tell me. Anjali? Anjali?
Yes, sir.
Yes, for this one you can apply the row operation or column operation.
Sir, row operation.
Row operation, huh? Yes. But you can do one more way also here. There already one is there. We're interchanging C1 and C2. We get directly one. That means after giving the problem, you can see clearly. Our target is compulsory. We have to get the identity matrix. But I'm applying the row matrix. So no row operation. I will apply that one. But you can do this way also. I think now for this problem, we are taking the column operation. This is the best. Because already here one is there now. If you can interchange both of them. So what you get 1 4, 1 4 2 7 we are getting. 1 4 2 7. So already we got one. The second number is 78 to 0. I'm just here coming like this one and this is means 0. When you apply the column operation, we are coming in the order like this. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one. But when you are applying the row operation on the time, this is the first, second, right? Then this is the second, this is the always third only, this is the fourth. That order you can remember that one? Yes. So if you delete that one row operation, you apply the row operation only, verify that. So I can write now. So here for getting one, I am taking R1 such that. How to get one? Tell me now. You can take R1 by 2, R1 by 2 now. Because 2 by 2 equal to will get 1. So we get to interchange the first row. So this is the 2 by 2 equal to first element and 2 by 2 equal to 1 now. 1 by 2, but second row you can write as is only. Second row you can write as. The same operation you can apply to the 1 0 0 1 also. This is also 1 by 2 0 0 1 into A into A. So first element already we got 1. So immediately you can change this second element out into 0. So how to get 0? Tell me this value. This is belongs to the second row. So R2 such that I'm taking here now R2 minus 7 into R1. 7 into R1. This R2 equal to 7. 7 minus 7 into 1 equal to 7. So 7 minus 7 equal to 0 we are getting. So we are changing second row means first row you can write as is only 1 1 by 2. This is a 0. And here you can write now 4 minus 7 into 1 by 2 equal to 7 by 2. If you take in 2 LCM here, 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 7 equal to 1. So this also you can write now 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to, so 1 by 2 0, and this one you can change this value. 0 minus 7 into 1 by 2 equal to minus 7 by 2. This is how much? Minus 7 by 2. And coming to second element here now, 1 minus 7 into 0 equal to 0 only. So this is the 1 into A. 1 into A now. So we got now 1 0 we got. Now what is next target now? The third element here convert into 1 it is. Then how to get 1 here? Just you can multiply by 2. So again R2 such that 2 into R2 you can take. 2 into R2. So first I write as is only 1 1 by 2. 2 into 0 equal to 0 only, but 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1. It is equal to 1 by 2 0. Here minus 7 by 2 into 2. 2 will be cancelled. This is equal to minus 7. 1 into 2 equal to 2 into A. Clear now? So 1 0 1 we got. Now this also converting into 0 it is. Then how do you get this? This value is 0 now. R1 such that I'm taking here now 1 by 2 into, sorry, the R1 minus 1 by 2 into R2. Correct? This will get 0 now. Because first you can this will remain now. So 1 minus 1 by 2 into 0 equal to 0 only. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Means this is we are not getting any changes. Now 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 equal to minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 equal to, this one you can change this value, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into minus 7. So 1 by 2 minus into minus plus, this is 7 by 2. Sum of these two numbers equal to 1 plus 7 equal to 8. So 8 by 2 equal to 4. So first element is 4 now. First element is 4. And from the second element, 0 minus 1 by 2 into 2. 2 will be cancelled, so it is the minus 1. It is minus 1. And minus 7 and 2 you can write as this. Now it is in the form of A into A inverse equal to I. Therefore, A inverse equal to how much? This is the whatever we get the matrix in place of before A. This is the we call as the inverse of A now. So 4 minus 1 minus 7 2. Okay. This is the apply the row operation. But whatever method you can apply, nothing happened, but we should get the same answer only. Suppose this same question you can apply based on the formula means. What's this condition now? A equal to 2 1 7 4 is there. For this one, adjoint A equal, tell me. Interchange these two now. 4 2 minus 1 minus 7. Minus 1 and minus, this is adjoint A. And determinant of A equal to AD minus BC. 2 4s are 8 minus 7 equal to 1 now. So A inverse equal to adjoint A by determinant of A. This matrix by 1 equal to what you get, tell me now. It's the same thing only, 4 minus 1 minus 7 2. 4 minus 1 minus 7 by 2. Means whatever we got the answer will be correct only. Understood? Suppose if you want the same question, I am applying here now column operation also. There are some consequences. But row operation means we are getting some difficult steps we got now. But apply the column operation once we take this one. Okay. Just because this value already here 1 is there now. interchange both of the C1 and C2 it is. So C1 interchange to C2 now. So 1 4 okay 1 4 2 7 equal to 0 you can write so 0 1 1 0 into A. Already we got one. First element we got one now. Then immediately we have to change now. You can apply the column operation. You can go to the order will be like this. First element, second element, third element, and fourth element. So this one we have to count into 0 now. So you can write C2 such that C2 minus 2 into C1. Correct now? From the second column we can subtract the first column. 2 into first column we can subtract. So 2 minus 2 into 1 equal to 1 and 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So 1 0. So first column we get as is only because we are changing the only second column it is. So this is the 7. C2 equal to 7. 7 minus 2 4 are 8. 7 minus 8 equal to minus 1. Equal to here also you can write first column right as is only. Second column you can change now. 1 minus 2 into 0 equal to 1. But 0 minus 2 into 1 equal to you can write now minus 2 into 8. So 1 0. Here we have to get 1 now. Then what we do? R2 such that minus R2 you can take. Just to multiply with minus. So 1 0. This is the minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 equal to 0 1. Sorry. How to apply the column operation here now? Sorry, don't take column of row operation. No? You should apply the column operation only. C2 such that minus C2 you can take. C2 such that minus C2. So 1 0 because minus of 0 equal to 0 only and 4 minus into minus 1 equal to plus 1 equal to 0 1 right after is only become that minus 1 and plus 2 minus 1 and plus 2 into A. So 1 0 1 we got. That means in place of 4 now we have to get now 0 we have to get. Then how to get 0? C1 such that C1 minus 4 into C2 you can take. So you know 1 minus 4 into 0 equal to 0 only. 1 minus 0 equal to we will get 1. But 4 minus 4 into 1 equal to 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So directly we got the answer now. Now C1 you can change this value to 1 0 0 1 which is equal to here also you can change now. So 0 minus you can take clearly that one. 0 minus 4 into minus 1. C1 equal to actually how much is value? 0. Minus 4 into C2 equal to minus 1. So minus of minus 1 equal to plus 1. This value equal to 4. This value equal to how much? 4 now. Next, the second element now. 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 4 into 2. 1 minus 4 into 2 now. So 1 minus 4 into 2 equal to minus 8. 1 minus 8 equal to minus 7. So second row I can write as this. Minus 1 and 2 into A. You know we got the same matrix only. Therefore A inverse equal to how much? 4 minus 1 minus 7 2. Okay. But whatever method you can apply now, but you should get always same answer. This is the by using formula. A inverse equal to adjoint A by determinant of A. This is the by using row operation. This is by using column operation. By using column operation. Now in this one, whatever you feel easy, that one you can follow nothing after this. Here no condition, no restrictions here now. But at last, but don't take this formula. Don't utilize this formula here. Suppose you're asking for objective point of view. Yes, you can utilize the formula, but the subjective point of view, but don't play this formula now. This is belongs to the determinant chapter, next chapter it is, but not now. Okay. Understood or still you want a few more questions? Student, just you are responding, you are telling me this, I'll go to the next step. You got it or still you want any other question? We will solve until you get the perfection.
Yes, sir. We'll solve more questions.
Yes, yes. Because today is the last class for the chapter. Where is the, I think how it is the last concept. Okay, we have miscellaneous is there. Oh, it's correct. That means next also, Thursday and Friday also will do the same chapter.
Sir, one more question.
One more question. Yes. You will tell the matrix, so I will take. You will tell the matrix, I will take. 4, 5, 3, 4. A equal to 4, 5, 3, 4. 4, 5, 3, 4. First you can starting only, just you can verify that. For finding the inverse of this matrix, is it possible or not? Okay. Remember this condition, no? 4, 4
Yes,
is
sir.
16.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It is
it's
possible.
possible. Because 16 minus 15 equal to 1, but it's not 0. Suppose AD minus BC equal to, we got 0 means that inverse is not possible. But here for this matrix, inverse is possible. Yes, you can follow now.
Sir, I didn't hear, sir, what you said. There's network problem I'm having.
Oh, yes, yes. Here, if AD minus BC equal to 0, AD minus BC equal to 0, for finding the inverse of given matrix is not possible. That means the inverse is does not exist for the given matrix.
Okay,
What
sir.
is that? AD minus BC equal to 0. Suppose
Yes,
AD minus BC not equal to 0, then inverse is possible. Okay? The point you can remember, it's more useful to you. Because sometimes they'll give the matrix. They'll ask them immediately it is the find the inverse of a matrix. Because some matrices we are getting, the inverse is not possible. But how to identify it? I just can identify that. Find now. The matrix A equal to 4, 5, 3, 4. By any student, suppose you got doubts, means immediately ask me. But you are sitting silently means I don't know. Because you are sitting in front of me means I understand. Are you getting or not? Understood? Because I can't see. Then what you are doing there, are you getting or not? So you got any doubt means just immediately raise your hand, just you ask me. I'll try to give the clarity about that more clearly. Okay. So 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. You can apply row operation now. Okay, best is you do one thing. Always you can apply the row operation. Always you can apply the column operation. That is the easy way. Because one time row operation, one time column operation, maybe sometimes you get the confusion. Okay. Yes. So what are your target now? First we have to change the first. This is the first element. The second element. This is the third element. This is the fourth element. The first element we have to change into 1. The second element we have to change into 0. The third one we have to change into 1. And the fourth one we have to change into 0. So first our target is completely first element only. You know what is the first element here now? 4 is given. But we have to get 1. But how to get 1? Tell me. How to get 1? But it belongs to the first row. So R1 such that, yes, R1 by 4. Correct? R1 by 4 now. Now right now. 4 by 4 equal to 1. This is the 5 by 4. Because we are changing the only first row. Not second row. Second row you can write as is only. 3, 4 equal to, here also same thing only. 1 by 4, 0 by 4 equal to 0. 0 and 1 into A. Into A. Okay. So our first element is over. Now coming to second element. What is second element here now? We have to see the 3. We have to see the 3. 3 you have to count it into 0 now. Now how to count it into 0 this value? It belongs to the second row. So R2 minus 3 into R1. Okay. Because 3 minus 3 into 1 equal to 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Right now. 1. 5 by 4 because we are not changing the first row. First row I can write as is only. This one I can change now. You get 0. 4 minus. This one I can change. 4 minus 3 into 5 by 4. 4 minus 3 into 5 by 4.
1 by
4
4.
minus is the 15 by 4. So 1 by 4 now. So 1 by 4. Correct? Equal to. So first row here right answer is only 1 by 4 and 0. This one you can change now. 0 minus 3 into 1 by 4. 3 into 1 by 4 equal to 3 by 4 only. So 0 minus 3 by 4 equal to minus 3 by 4. Here now 1 minus 3 into 0 equal to 0. So 1 minus 0 equal to 1. 1 minus 0 equal to 1 into A. So second element also we got 0 now. What is next target now? Third element. This is we have to count it into 1. How do you get 1? Tell me.
So multiply it with 4.
That's all. Multiply by 4. Multiply by 4 again. Here only can write now. So what is this? Second row means R2 such that 4 into R1. R2 such that 4 into R1 now. So first row write as is only 1 5 by 4 and 4 into 0 equal to 0. 1 by 4 into 4 equal to, you will get 1 now. You will get 1 equal to, here all same thing only.
So
1
shouldn't
by
it
4.
be 4R2?
Sorry, this is the 4 R2, yes. 1 by 4 0. So here 4 into minus 3 by 4 equal to 4 will be cancelled. So minus 3 now. 4 into 1 equal to 4 into A. It's fine now. So 1 0 1 we got. Next, this element we have to get 0. In place of 5 by 4 we have to get now 0 it is. Then what we do? This belongs to the first row. So R1 such that R1 minus 5 by 4 into R2. It's fine now. Because 1 minus 5 by 4 into 0 equal to 0 1. So 1 minus 0 equal to 1 we are getting. Yes, no changes at all. So 5 by 4 minus 5 by 4 into 1 equal to 5 by 4. Plus and minus will be cancelled, will be equal to 0 only. So 1 0 0 1. Now this also can change now. So R1 minus R1 equal to 1 by 4 minus 5 by 4 into 0 equal to, you will get now 1 by 4 only. Sorry, how to get 0? 1 by 4 minus 5 by 4 into minus 3. 1 by 4 minus 5 by 4 into minus 3. So 1 by 4 minus into minus equal to plus, and 3 5s are 15 by 4. Sum of these two numbers equal to 16. So 16 by 4 equal to 4. This element equal to 4 now. Next, 0 minus 5 by 4 into 4. 0 because R1 equal to 0. 0
minus 10.
Minus 10 now. 4 4 cancel ra, minus 5 only. Correct? 0 minus 5 by 4 into R2 equal to 4 only. R2 equal to 4. 4 4 will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. So this is the minus 5. So second row I can write as is. So minus 3 4 into A. So therefore I can write now. This is the form of what is that? A into A inverse equal to I. Therefore A inverse equal to 4 minus 5 minus 3 4. Okay. The value of A inverse by using elementary operations. If what here only can verify the same problem only. Interchanging both of them. So what you can tell me? 4 and 4 interchange 4 and 4. And these two numbers you can write the opposite side. So minus 5 minus 3. This is the we call it adjoint. And find determinant you can find now. AD minus BC 4 4 and 16. Minus 3 5 are 16 minus 15 equal to 1. Yes, same matter. We got same thing now? Yes, A inverse equal to 4 minus 5 minus 3 4. Okay. This is just only 2 by 2 matrix only. Now we are going to discuss about the 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix means definitely we will get is we have to 2 by 2 matrix only you are feeling more different. Then 3 by 3 matrix means how it will be once you can think about that. We will do one more question now. Or we'll start a 3 by 3 matrix now.
So 3 by 3 matrix.
3 by 3 will do?
Yes.
Yes, very good. We'll do 3 by 3. Right now, if A equal to take 3 by 3 matrix 2 minus 3 3 and 2 2 3 3 minus 2 2 comma, then find the value of A inverse equal to how much? A inverse equal to question mark. the problem it is. A 3 by 3 matrix. Now tell me order here. The matrix A equal to 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2. In determinant chapter, there we have discussed about the adjoint and determinant. It will be different, but 3 by 3 matrix, but we are not applying the same thing. Like interchanging the elements and we're changing the sign, it's not applicable for the 3 by 3 matrix. That is only for the 2 by 2 matrix only. For this one, we have to find adjoint means so compulsory we have to find a cofactor of each and every element we have to find. First we have to find the cofactors of each and every element. Later just we have to the transpose. Transpose of cofactors of A is called adjoint A. It's called adjoint A. And determinant will be same thing only. Just I'll give the formula to you. You apply the find in the determinant. Later A inverse equal adjoint A by determinant of A. We get the A inverse now. But now we have to solve this problem by using elementary operation. You know the same thing only, but no need to get any confusion here now. Same condition you can apply. So what is that? A equal to I into A. A equal to A into A now. So A equal to 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2 equal to I equal to the 3 by 3 matrix compulsory we have to write now. I3 we have to write. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 now 0 0 1 into A. Okay. So here also just you can follow the order now. First we can change this element compulsory. First come into the second, come into the third, fourth, fifth one you can take like this. Same order you can follow that one like this. Same order you can follow. Because you know, suppose this is actually here we have to get 1 now, and these 3 elements are 0. Suppose these 3 elements are 0, then any operation you can apply. Suppose you can multiply this one, this number by the any square factor, you get obviously 0 we are getting. So that is the main reason that converting into first these elements will be zeros. This is the 1 and 0. Later you can see that one. But suppose these elements required means directly if you want you can take here now. Divide by 2 directly. Divide by 2 now. We'll get the answer. That means 2 by 2 equal to 1 like this. Understood? No? So just here also, I am applying the row operation only. First this element we have to converting into 1 now. Suppose I am taking here now R1 such that it is the R1 by 2. R1 by 2 I am taking. Okay? Here you can do one thing. But suppose if you take here 1 operation means 1 condition means it will take more time. Almost will take time 15 to 20 minutes. But sometimes you can apply here now 2 operations you can apply one time only, no problem at all. 2 operations you can apply same time. Okay? The same way, just if you want you can do one more thing also, that is R2 such that R2 by 2 also you can take. R1 by 2 and R2 by 2. I am taking 2 conditions at a time. That means this condition you can apply for the only first row, this condition you can apply for the only second row. I am clear now? You can change now. So 2 by 2 equal to, first thing I am changing. 2 by 2 equal to, you will get 1. This element is the minus 3 by 2 and this also you can write for 3 by 2. Now second row also you can change like what is the given condition now? R by R2 by 2 means 2 by 2 equal to 1. 2 by 2 equal to 1. This is you can write now 3 by 2. The third row we are not changing anything, you write as is only. So this is the 3 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 2, 2 now. Is equal to, here also you can change now. First one equal to 1 by 2, 0 by 2 equal to 0, 0 by 2 equal to 0, 0 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 0, and 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 into A. Clear now? So here first element we got 1 now. What is the target now? The second element we have to change. This is converting into 0. You are converting into 0 now. Convert into this value. Tell me anyone that operation. What you can apply for getting 0? Please tell me. Anyone? Forgetting this is the 1 0 here. What will do?
R2 such that minus R1.
R2 such that R2 minus R1.
Yes, sir.
correct? R2 minus R1 you can take. So first here we are changing the only second row only. So first row you can take as is 1 minus 3 by 2. This is a 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2. And here 1 minus 1 equal to 0. And 1 minus of minus 3 by 2. 1 minus of minus 3
5
by 2.
5 by 2.
The 5 by 2 now. And second element 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 equal to 0. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So 3 minus 2, 2. It is equal to the same operation column. Okay, condition you can apply for the RHS matrix also. So first one you can write as is only. So 1 by 2, 0, 0. And 0 minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 0 equal to 1 by 2 only. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 now. Into A. Into A now. So 1, 0 we got. Now in place of here also we should get 0. Here also we have to get now 0 it is. Then how do you get 0? Tell me this value. This one 3. Tell me anyone. R3 such that Dhanush. Please tell me. Here now here we have to get 0 again. Then how do you get 0? R3 such that I am taking here now R3 minus 3 into R1. 3 into R1. It's correct now? Because here 1 is there now. So 3 minus 3 into 1 equal to 3 only. But 3 minus 3 equal to 0. It's enough. So write this value now. So I am changing only third row. So first row, second row, right as is only. 1 minus 3 by 2. This is a 3 by 2. 3 by 2 now. And 0. 5 by 2. 0. Like 3 minus 3 equal to 0 again. Here now minus 2 minus 3 into minus 3 by 2. So minus into minus 3 into minus 3 equal to plus 9. So plus 9 by 2 it is. So minus 4 plus 9 means we'll get now 5 by 2. This is, sorry, here this one you can write as is only. 5 by 2, sorry, start over in 5 by 2. 5 by 2. It's correct now. And this value 2 minus 3 into this value again. So 2 minus 3 into 3 by 2. 3 3s are 9. So 4 minus 9 equal to minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Okay. So it is equal to, so first and second right answer is only 1 by 2, 0, 0. This is the minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 at 0. This one you can change now. So 0 minus 3 into 1 by 2 equal to minus 3 by 2. And 0 minus 0 equal to 0 only. 1 minus 3 into 0 equal to 0. This is the 1 only. Into A. Into A now. So 1, 0, 0 we got. Now this element is 70 into 0 now. This is 70 into 0. So how do you get 0? Tell me this value. Again R3 such that R3 minus R2. Is correct? Correct or not? Because the 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 equal to 0. 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 equal to 0 we are getting. So first and second equation answer is again. Minus 1 minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2. And 0. 5 by 2 and 0. This is you can write as 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 equal to 0. And minus 5 by 2 minus 0 equal to minus 5 by 2 only.
Sir, it should be plus 5 by 2.
This is the R3 minus R2. R3 equal to minus 5 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Minus R2 equal to 0 only. Na?
Yes, sir.
So minus 5 by 2 minus 0 equal to minus 5 by 2 only. So here also same thing only. So 1 by 2, 0, 0. Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. Again, minus 3 by 2 minus this value. Minus 3 by 2 minus
So
of
minus
minus
2.
1 by 2. Become that minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It is equal to minus 1. It's correct. 2 LCM. Minus 3 plus 1 equal to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 equal to minus 1. Next 0 minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2 only. And 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Into A. Into A now. But still what is required now? Here we have to get 1, we have to get now this value.
Plus 5.
And here also we have to get 1. And these elements are counting into 0. That is counting into zeros now. Almost 2 more steps we have to write now. 2 more conditions. Yes, I am right in the middle of this one only. You try to adjust the problem here only. Let's. Tell me condition here. Here we have to get 1 means what we'll do now? Second one. Okay, this is the third element. R3 is such that I think this is we can multiply with the same number. Is correct? That means you can take minus 5 by 2 into R3 only can take. Minus 5 by 3 into R3. So minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 equal to, sorry, this you can take reciprocal.
2 by 5.
2 by 5 we can take. Then 5 will be cancelled, 2 also cancel, minus into minus equal to, will get plus. Apply now. So first one that asks is only 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 0 5 by 2 0 5 by 2 and 0. Here you can write now. So anything into 0 equal to, will get 0 only, 0 0. This is the plus 1 now equal to. Here also you can write this is the 1 by 2 0 0 and minus 1 by 2 and 0. The last element now R3 minus. So write the condition values here now. R3 that means minus 2 by 5 into minus 1. So minus into minus equal to, get plus only. So this value equal to 2 by 5. This value equal to 2 by 5. I think so everybody copied the second step here. Challenge this one. So the place is not sufficient. So 2 by 5. So minus 2 by 5 into minus 1 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. Minus into minus equal to plus only. So what about remaining here now? 1 by 5. Next, minus 2 by 5 into 1 equal to minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. Correct? 0 and 0. This is into A. Into A now. So 1 0 0 0 1 we got. Around 0 we got now. Still here what is required now? This middle element number what is required? In place of 5 by 2. 1 we required. How to get 1 now?
Into 2 by 5.
Yes. R2 such that 2 by 5 into R2 we can take. 2 by 5 into R2. Okay. So multiply all the values now. The first one you can write as is only 1 minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2, and this is the 0 identity equal to 0, and 5 by 2 into 2 by 5 equal to 1 we are getting, but 0 identity equal to 0. So 0 0 1 0 0 1 equal to. It is same thing only. First one you can write as is only 1 by 2 0 0. Now 2 by 5 into minus 1 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. So what about remaining? Minus 1 by 5. Next, 2 by 5 into 1 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. So it is the plus 1 by 5. But 0 identity equal to 0. And the remaining identity is only. So 2 by 5, 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 5 now. Minus 2 by 5 into A. Into A. Okay. Still we have to count into these elements will be 0. These two are zeros now. But don't apply any column operation. They're taken, they're applying from the beginning, they're applying only row operation only. So for these two elements also converting into zeros, you can apply the only row operation you can apply. Yes, still we have to get 0 means now these two elements you can. These two elements. Okay. I'm taking first this element now. I'm taking this value. So this is the R1 such that, because it belongs to the R1 only. R1 such that I'm taking here now R1 minus R1. Instead of minus you can take plus you can take. Plus 3 by 2 into R2 you can take. Am I correct? Already R1 equal to minus 3 by 2, but here no problem with it. This is the okay. Nothing happened. But here also nothing happened. We get the same number we are getting. Because 0 into anything equal to 0 we get. It means here 3 by 2 plus 0 equal 3 by 2 only. Here also same. 1 plus 3 by 2 into 0 equal to 0 only. So 1 plus 0 equal to 1. There is no changes at all. First and third element we get the as is only. But this element only will get 0 now. So minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 into 1 equal to 3 by 2 only. So minus plus will be cancelled. So it should be equal to the 0. So 1, 0, this is you can write now 3 by 2, and 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to, now here also you can change this value now, this is the more important to you. So R1 plus 3 by 2 into R2. What is R1 here? R1 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 now. Tell me this value.
Minus 2 by 5.
1 by 2 minus 3 by 10, it is 10 LCM. So 5 minus 3, it is equal to 2 by 10 into 1 by 5. Correct? So first element is the 1 by 5 only. And here now 0 plus 1 by 5 equal to 1 by 5. And here you can write 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Sorry, 3 by 2 into 1 by 5 is there. Na? So 0 plus 3 by 2 into 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 10. This is the 3 by 10 now. Last element 0 plus into 0 equal to becomes a 0 only. Remaining right as is. So minus 1 by 5. Here also you can write the 1 by 5, 0. This is you can write now 2 by 5, 1 by 5, and minus 2 by 5 into A. Into A now. Still we have one more element is there. 3 by 2 is there now. This 3 by 2 also we have to count it into 0 again. We have to count it into 0. So now tell me condition now. Then how to get here 0 this value? I am taking here now R1 such that again R1 minus 3 by 2 into R3. Is correct? Well, these elements is zeros only. So 1 minus 3 by 2 into 0 equal to 0. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. But 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 1 equal to 3 by 2. And the plus and minus will be cancelled. We get 0 only. So I can write 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 equal to. Now again R1 you can change now. So 1 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 3 by 2 into R3 equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5. 2 will be cancelled. So 1 by 5 minus 3 by 5 equal to minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. This is the first element. Next, 3 by 10. 3 by 10 minus 3 by 2 into 1 by 5. 3 by 2 into 1 by 5. So this is the 3 by 10 minus 3 by 10 again. So it's become that 0. Correct? Here now, R1 minus 3 by 10 minus 3 by 2 into 1 by 5. Sorry, this 3 by 2 into 1 by 5 is correct only. Next, 0 minus 3 by 2 into minus 2 by 5. The 2 will be cancelled, so minus into minus equal to plus now. So this is equal to, you can write for 3 by 5. This element equal to 3 by 5. So rest of all you can write as is only. Because we are changing only first row. So this is the minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, and 2 by 5, 1 by 5, and minus 2 by 5 into A. Into A now. So this is the A into A inverse equal to I now. Therefore, the value of A inverse equal to minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, the 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5 now. This is the value of A inverse. Value of A inverse. But this problem the last examination means definitely 100% will ask for 5 marks question only. No doubt at all. They never ask for 3 marks question. This is the last one only for the 5 marks problem it is. But this is they are not good in audition mode. In audition mode they gave only up to the transpose of a matrix only. Okay. Okay. We'll do one more question now. I think at least anything something not the same procedure only outside the 2 by 2 matrix, but here also the same thing only we have done that. Always, but don't starting only do one thing. Remember one concept here, one thing here now. Starting for these two elements don't count into 0. But whenever applying the row operation, always we come always from top to bottom like this. They have to come like this. This is the order. And these two elements you can change at last stages. But when you're applying the column operation on the time, it come like this. It come like this. It will come, this is the order. This is the order. These two elements you can change later. At last you can change this element. Understood? No? The condition you can remember. Because if you done one small mistake, but definitely we are not getting answer. But especially 3 by 3 matrix, if you done any one small element, you done mistake means then the entire problem simply the time waste and you will never get the answer in examination again.
Sir, is there any condition to find whether inverse is possible or not? Just like
that's why I'm telling that one. For 3 by 3 matrix, we have to verify means compulsory we have to find the adjoint only. Otherwise, it is a no chance. It is a 2 by 2 matrix means verify directly, but 3 by 3 matrix is not possible because what is the meaning of adjoint matrix means compulsory we have to find the cofactors of each and every element of A. Understood now? Means actually adjoint of A means the transpose of adjoint of A. The transpose of cofactors of A. The transpose of cofactors of A is called adjoint A. I mean for each and every element we have to find the cofactors first. Then after finding the cofactors, just we can make as one matrix now. The matrix we have to take the transpose. Then we have to take as a transpose. Then that is the we call as the adjoint. But coming to the 2 by 2 matrix is very easy only. There also we have the same thing only. But a 2 by 2 matrix you will find easily by the shortcut it is. But 3 by 3 matrix we find anything. So compulsory we have to solve that one. Okay. So we will do one more question now. One more I can solve. The matrix I can change here. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3 for 1, comma A inverse equal to how much? A inverse equal to how much? Find the inverse of a matrix by using elementary operation. Okay. Are you copied? I shall drop this side now. Start now. Start doing. Students, I shall drop this side now. First one, this side now. The last you can write. First you can take matrix now. What is the condition we have? A equal to I into A. Always. The matrix A equal to 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. 3, 1, 1 equal to I equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 now. This is the matrix I now into A. Into A now. Yes, tell me.
Sir,
What will do that one?
Sir, R1 such that R3 minus 2R1.
No. I think here it's not required for you. Already is, in this second row, 1 is there.
R1 plus R2.
Okay, man. Here 1 is there, here 0 is there. Now we're interchanging both of them. What happened? So directly we got the first element is 1 and second element is 0. Yes or no? So you can see clearly that one. Actually, our target is this first element we have to get 1. So getting 1 already in the second row, 1 is there here. In the second row, 1 is there. So you just can interchange both of them. R1 and R2 you can interchange. Row 1 and row 2 you can interchange. It's enough. So what you can tell me? 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 1. 3, 1, 1 equal to, and these ones you can interchange 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 1 now into A. Into A. Already second element we have to get 0 now. Here also we got directly 0 we got. Now your focus is completely this third element now. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one now. So 1, 0 already we got. So 3 had to change now. But 3 belongs to the third row, so you can write now R3 such that
3R into R1.
It is the R3 minus 3
3R1.
into R1. Correct? 3 into R1 now. Okay, this one. The first and second row is the as is only 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, and here 3 minus 3 equals 0, but 1 minus 3 to the 6th. So this value we got from minus 5. And here on same 1 minus 3 3s are 9. So you get minus 8. Minus 8. It is equal to, so 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Here on same thing only 0 minus 0 equal to you will get 0. And here 0 only. And here you can change this value 0 minus 3 into 1. So minus 3. But 1 minus 3 into 0 equals 0 is the one it is. So into A. Yes. 1, 0, 0 we got. 1, 0, 0 we got. Now this element we have to get again 0 we have to get. Correct now? So minus 5 also we require 0 because in order it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 5. Now coming to this element, so that last 2 and 3 can change. Same thing only. Here we have to get 1 now. Okay, 0 we have to get. But this is belongs to the third row. So R3 is such that R3 equal to actually minus 5.
Plus 5.
Plus 5 into R2 na?
5.
Is correct? R3 equal to minus 5. Plus 5 into 1 equal to plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5 will be 0. Correct or not? Okay, the same condition you can apply now. Right now, we are changing the one R3 only. So first and second row right as is 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, and then here you can write now 0 plus 0 equal 5 into 0 equal to 0 only, and this one you can change this value, it become that 0, and this also you can change now minus 8 plus 5 into 2 equal to 10. So minus 8 plus 10 equal to 2 equal to, here also you can change now 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0.
5 minus 3, 1.
This is almost 0 plus 5 into 1, so 5 are?
Yes, sir. 5, then
5.
minus 3, and then 1.
minus 3 and 1 into A1. So we got 1 0 0 0 1 also go we got like this. So this is this here 2 is there now. But in place of 2 what is required actually? 1 were required. Then how to get 1 tell me? Again you can take R3 is such that R3 by 2 you can take. R3 by 2 you can take. Is correct. So 1 2 3 0 1 2 but 0 by 2 equal to 0 0 2 by 2 equal to 1 2 by 2 equal to 1 it is equal to 0 1 0 1 0 0. So it is the 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 1 by 2 into A. When you are solving the problem that time, but no need to think it is the true or false it is. Just you can follow the as your procedure now, but definitely you will get the 100% result you will get. And but between them, suppose you got the confusion is the correct true or false. Maybe here now 2 is there. There is subtracting from this one, will get 1 like this. But don't think like that. You completely can apply the only same operation, either row operation or column operation. There is the starting one you can decide yourself. But starting means starts row operation means and up to end of the problem you can apply the completely row operation only. Suppose starting you are taking the column operation means end of the problem you can apply only column operation only. But one step you apply the row operation, one step you apply the column operation means 100% you will get wrong answer. Okay, yes, 1 0 0 0 1 1 also we got. Now in place of this, what you get tell me now?
So we
0 na?
minus 2.
Here 0 we require.
Yes,
Is
sir.
correct. Required 0 means then what we do? It belongs to the second row. So R2 minus, you can write now R2 minus 2 into R3. Correct? But 0 minus 0 equal to 0 only. 1 minus 3, 2 into 0 equal to 0. So 1 minus 0 equal to 1 only. But 2 minus 2 into 1 equal to 2. So 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 equal to. So you can write now first column, you can first write that as is only 0, 1, 0. The second one I can change now. So 1 minus 2 into 5 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. So 1 minus 5 equal to right now minus 4. Minus 4 now. Next, this element you can take 2 minus 2 into 1. Correct or not? Sorry, these we have to give it, right? So 0 minus
So plus 3.
this is we can write now 2 into minus 3 by 2 will be cancelled is equal to plus 3. Next again 0 minus 2 into 1 by 2, 2 will be cancelled, it is equal, you can write now minus 1. I am correct? And last the remaining element right as is only. So 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 into A. Into A now. So we got 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 we got. These elements are counting into zeros now. That we can count into zeros. The two operations right as is only directly one step only can write for two operations. Counting at 0 in place of 2. So R1 such that I am taking here now R1 minus 2 into R2. Will get 0. Next again R3 such that R1 minus 3 into R3. Correct or not?
So shouldn't it be R1, sir? Because you're
Correct only. Because 0 is there. First, whenever apply this condition, what you get tell me? 1 minus 2 into 0 equal to 0 only. So 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Correct only. And 2 minus, because R1 minus 2 into R2. So 2 minus 2 into 1 equal to 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Yes. And here also 3 minus
so we are
2 into
making
0 equal to
change.
0.
So we're making change in the row.
Or
1
else
versus-
do one thing. For R1 only I am changing.
Yes, sir. So you wrote here R1 and you wrote there for change R3, sir.
No. I wrote two conditions here now. I wrote two conditions at time. So if you want to get the confusion, take one condition only can take. You take one condition, no problem, that's one. So R1 such that R1 minus R2. So clearly, this 1. Next we got 0 now. 3, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 is equal to, this one we have to change again. So 0 minus of 2 into minus 4. So minus into minus equal to plus, 2 4s are 8. This element equal to 8 now. Next here, this element now. 1 minus 2 into 3.
Minus
So this is a minus 4.
5.
How do you get 5 there?
So 1
1.
minus 6 equal to
It's
minus
correct only. So 1 minus 2 3 is 6. 6 minus minus 5. Okay. Minus 5 now. And this element tell me 0 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 na?
plus 2. So plus 2.
Plus 2. Sorry. Minus 2 minus equal to plus 2 plus 2. Remember right as is only. So minus 4, 3, minus 1, the 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into A. Into A now. This last one element is there. What is that? 3. This we have to count it into 0. It belongs to the first row again. So I am taking here now R1 minus 3 into R3. Correct only? Because this element 0 is only. That means in these two elements we are not getting any changes. So 3 minus 3 into 1 equal to 3. So 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So right now, so 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 equal to but change this values now. 8 minus 3 into 5 by 2. 8 minus 3 into 5 by 2. So I think it is equal to 3 5 are 15. 60 minus 15 equal to 1 by 2. I'm correct? Next, minus 5 minus 3 into minus 3 by 2. So minus into minus equal to plus. So this is the minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 now. Next, 2 minus 3 into 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2. It is equal to 1 by 2 again. Because 2 to the 4, 4 minus 3 equal to 1 by 2. So rest of our answer is only minus 4, 3, minus 1, and 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and 1 by 2 into A. Therefore, the value of A inverse equal to 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 4, 3, minus 1, 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2 now. This is the value of A inverse. 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 4, 3, minus 1, 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Like what the idea? Chirag?
Yes, sir.
Remaining? Javier, Kushi,
Yes, sir.
Ritesh, Sanchit, Tejashwini,
Yes, sir.
Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we will do one more.
Yes, sir.
We'll do one more question. A equal to 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. Then A inverse equal to how much? And A inverse equal to
So the second row is 5 1.
5 1 0 5 1 0 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3 0 1 3. Okay. So whatever, okay, whoever understand clearly, just if once you can try yourself. But still, whoever understand, whoever is not getting, look at the board and listen to me. Okay. First, what are the conditions? First, to tell to me. A equal to
Sir,
IA immediately. Tell me.
Sir, R1 such that R1 divided by 2.
Yes, yes. You understand means just you can try yourself. Do it now. Then whoever understand, just look at the board and listen to me. Yes. A equal to I into A. The matrix A equal to 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. The matrix A now it is equal to I equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 into A now. Yes, but don't follow. Okay, don't forget our target now. You follow the axis only. So this first element we have to get 1 now. So when you can write R1 such that R1 by 2 you can take, because if taken 2 by 2 means become that 1 now. So 1 0 by 2 equal to 0. This is the minus 1 by 2. So second and third row right axis only 5 1 0 and 0 1 3 0 1 3 is equal to here also you can write now 1 by 2 0 0 and 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 into A now. So already we got 1 here. But next target to us here also we should be required now 0 required. So how to get 0 this value? This belongs to the second row. So R2 minus, okay, R2 such that R2 minus 5 into R1 is correct. This is 5 minus 5 into 1 equal to 5 only, 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So first one idea is only 1 0 minus 1 by 2. It's become that 0, become that 0 1 0. Next here also 0 1 3 equal to change this values now 1 by 2 right as is 1 by 2 0 0. Now 0 minus, because R2 minus 5 into R1, so 0 minus 5 into 1 by 2 equal to, then this is the minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Next 1 minus 5 into 0 equal to 1 only, and 0 minus 0 equal to you get 0. The last one is right as is 0 0 1 into A. 0 0 1 into A now. You know, already almost we got all the elements we got now. So still what is required now? In place of 1 we required 0. In place of 1 we required now 0 required.
Sir, even in place of minus 1 by 2.
So here we required 0. Minus 1 by 2 also required 0 now. In place of 3 we required 1 we required. In the 3 elements we have to change. Now first you can change this element. 1 we have to count it into 0. How to get 0 now? This is belongs to the third row. So you can write now R3 such that R3 minus R2 we can take. Because 1 minus 1 equal to you will get 0. So first row you can write as is only 1 0 minus 1 by 2 0 1 0 0 0 3 minus 0 equal to you will get 0, 3 only equal to. So you can change these values now. So 1 by 2 0 0. Next minus 5 by 2 1 0. We are changing the R3. So R3 can change this value now. So R3 minus R2 means 0 minus of minus 5 by 2 equal to minus into minus plus will get now. So this is the will get
5
now
by
5
2
by 2
minus 1 and 1.
Yes, minus 1 and 1 into A. But next target now. Here we have to get what of this value? 1 we require now. So how to get 1 now? So R3 is such that R3 by 3 contain. R3 by 3 contain. So I can write now. So 1, 0, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1, 0. But 0 by 3 equal to 0, 0 by 3 equal to 0, and 3 by 3 equal to 1 now. 3 by 3 equal to 1. It is equal to. So first and second row right answer is only. So 1 by 2, 0, 0. And minus 5 by 2, 1, 0. This value, 5 by 2 by 3 equal to?
5 by 6.
Yes, 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into A. And one more element is left now. So minus 1 by 2, we have to count it into 0 now. We have to count it into 0. So taking remaining is not possible. We have only one chance there now. That is only first row and the third row. First row and the third row I can change. So you can write now R1 such that. How do you get 0? Tell me now. R1, here already minus 1 by 2 is there. So this is a negative means I am taking plus here. So R1 plus 1 by 2 into R3. 1 by 2 into R3. Am I correct now? Because R1 equal to minus 1 by 2. But here no need to get any changes because of 1 plus 1 by 2 into 0 equal to 0 only. So 1 plus 0 equal to will get 1. It's fine, no problem, that's fine. But coming to the third element now, R1 equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 equal to 1 by 2. So minus and plus will be cancelled. Yes, so I can change now. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. All elements we got now. Okay, we got identity matrix now. So we have to change this value. We have to change these values now. So R1 plus 1 by 2 into R3. So R1 equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 5 by 6. 1 by 2 into 5
So
by 6.
11 by 12.
11 by 12. Yes, 11 by 12. Because 12 is the LCM. So 12 plus. Yes, we'll get. Correct or not? This is the 1 by 2 plus 5 by 12. So 12 is the LCM now. 6 plus 5 by 12. 11 by 12. Correct. Next. So this element now. 0 plus 1 by 2 into minus
So
1 by 3.
1. So minus 1 by
Minus
6.
1 by 6.
Plus
Minus
1 by 6.
6.
Plus
And
1 by 6.
Plus 1 by 6. Remaining right answer is only. So minus 5 by 2, 1, 0. And this is a 5 by 6. Minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 now. Into A. Into A. Therefore, A inverse equal to how much? This is A into A inverse equal to I now. Therefore, A inverse equal to 11 by 12 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 and minus 5 by 2, 1, 0 and 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3 and plus 1 by 3. Okay?
Sir,
This tell me about.
can you do this in column thing, sir?
Yes, yes, column also we can do. Column also same. But when you can apply the column operation, what we'll do? We have to come like this. We have to come like this. Okay? Also call this, sir. You will try. Column operation also will do that.
Sir,
Done that?
sir, R2 minus 5 R. Second column,
We got any wrong here now?
the second row.
This one, huh?
Yes, sir.
R2 minus 5 R1. Once you can check it. So R2 equal to 5. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. It's correct only. Oh, here. Okay. But here also 1 minus 5 into R1 equal to 1 only. And this is the 0 minus. Okay. This is you'll get the minus 5 by 2, na?
Plus 5 by 2.
Plus 5 by 2 we are getting. That means one element just we are changing the completely. Oh.
That is why I'm getting different answers, sir.
Okay. Yes. 5 by 2. And this side now, this is the correct one, right?
Yes.
That is correct only. We are taking here now R2 minus, yes, 0 minus 0 is 0, it's fine. But again, the next operation will be same. It's correct? Because it is we are taking R3 instead R3 minus R2 means, now we got 0 here now, but this is will get different element now. So this is the 3 minus 5 by 2, na? It is equal to 1 by 2. So this is we can get now 1 by 2. I am correct?
Yes, sir.
1 by 2. Now what about this value? This is correct only. Here now 1 minus 0 equal to 1. This is correct. Now this operation will get different now. Yes. This because the 1 by 2 means compulsory. This is you can multiply by 2. It means 2 into R3 you can take. 2 into R3. Now we get 1 now. Now this is the value equal to, this is the 5. This is will get now minus 2. I am correct? This is the 2 now. Very good. 1 we got. Now we have to change this value means then what we'll do? We have to get 0 means the minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Correct only, na?
Yes, sir.
Now we can change. So this matrix will get different matrix we are getting now. Change this matrix now. So it is 1 by 2. Derivative will get 0 only compulsory. So 1 by 2 plus 5. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 5. So 6 by 2 equal will get 3. Correct? First one is 3 now. Next 0 plus 1 by 2 into minus 2. So 2 will be cancelled. It is equal to minus 1. Next 0 plus 1 by 2 into 2 equal to 2 will be cancelled. Get 1 now. So rest of all exact answer is minus 5 by 2 1 0 and 5 minus 2 2. Now it's correct, Bono. It's correct now. I think who are telling now.
Sir.
No, it's correct.
No, sir.
So what is A inverse now? A inverse equal to 3 minus 1 1. So in the problem, when you solve the problem, be careful. Suppose we done one small element mistake, it's enough. We'll get something answer now. Okay. So just we got one small number change here now. Directly we got the wrong answer. And here also,
Sir.
the 5 by 2. Yes. I'm changing
Got,
this one. 5 by 2. Wait. This is the 5 by 2. Right now, 5 by 2. We have to get 1. It's correct only, no problem. That one. For getting 1 it is. And here also required 0 required now. So before that, just you can write one more step. You can write now. Here, here 5 by 2 is there now. So R2 such that R2 minus 5 by 2 into R3 you can write. One more step you can write before that. So 1, 0, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 we are getting. And it is equal to, you can write now 1 by 2, 0, 0, and this one you can change this value now. R2 minus that means minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 into 5 now. I think it is equal to minus 5 by 2 minus 25 by 2 now. So minus 15. Correct. This is the minus 15. Next 1 minus 5 by 2 into minus 2. 2 will be cancelled. So it is equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 6. 5 plus 1 equal to 6 now. Next 0 minus 5 by 2 into 2 equal to 2 will be cancelled. So minus 5. Rest of all right as is only. So minus 5 minus 2 into a. I think now we got the correct answer. Now this column also you can change, same operation you can apply for this one, last one now. So minus 15, 6, minus 5. Now it's okay? Now this is the correct answer. Copy this. Just only one small mistake. But small mistake, just the problem at one somewhere it is. The problem is somewhere. So therefore the A inverse equality you can write now. It is 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2. Okay. Now wait on the mistake, small mistake here, just because of R2 minus 5 R1, because of one condition will be correct only. Whatever it is, the conditions will be correct. But the calculation should have a small mistake here now. Yes. So A inverse equal to 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 2. Okay, if you want this one you can write now. This operation you can write here. Whatever you wrote the operation here now, this is the R3 such that is there now. That one you can write there. The same operation you can write for before this step you can write. You can try one more question now. Try this problem. Because once you done the one more question means I will get more perfection in that one. A equal to 1 3 minus 2 minus 3 0 minus 5 and 2 5 0 2 5 0. Later just you can try this question now. A equal to 1 3 minus 2 minus 3 0 minus 5 2 5 0. Now find the A inverse. Find the A inverse.
Sir, can't hear you, sir.
So we can't hear you, sir.